Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you 5 camera tips for your OPPO A2x. So the first one will be definitely the brightness adjustment, the manual brightness adjustment. Take a look, you have to click on the screen and then move this icon up and down to increase or decrease the brightness level. You can also click like that to do this automatically. When you want to zoom in or zoom out, you can hold your finger on one of the presets and you can do this smoothly, just like that. Take a look. Next, you are also able to take the photos with the volume buttons, volume up or volume down. When you click and hold one of this button, you can also take the series of the photos. And if you want to change the color and the temperature on the photos, you can just click right here and take a look. It's changing the temperature and the colors, as I said before, just like that. And the last tip will be about the photo quality. So if you want to get more details, you have to swipe up like that and select the turn on option. So click on it once. The photo was taken. The photo was taken, and yeah, and that's basically it. That's all for this video. Hope you like it.